Alright, so today I'm out here in Playa Blanca of the Punta Leona area of Costa Rica, and we're talking about crypto. So there is a concept that I want you guys to understand, and it is that our financial system is crippled, right? The dollar, the fiat system, the money that the different governments and different centralized entities want to provide to us is shot, right? It is an old way of transacting money. I saw someone talk about the other day that think about like 100 years from now, do you really think that we're still going to be using dollar bills and actual cash for monetary transactions? No, right? Think futuristically, we're going to be using a digital currency, a completely, cryptocurrency, right? So that is where investing into these assets early on is a great opportunity to make some really solid gains. You can look at it like investing into those Amazon, Netflix, Facebook early on, right? Investing into those companies early on really provided huge returns. That's kind of like what we're seeing with cryptocurrency. Just as long as you're investing into the right projects, right? You're not going to be, buying up those Dogecoin and whatnot and expecting them to be worth a lot in the future because they don't have actual intrinsic value. But companies, projects like Theta, Chainlink, Polkadot, so on and so forth, those are very solid projects, right? You're going to be seeing projects like Zilliqa really take off years and down the line. Now, the thing with the crypto space is that there are a lot of mistakes that can be made. There's a lot of investments that can go south, right? So what you want to do to avoid that, very simple. You research the projects that you're going to be investing into. Don't buy any coin that you just see online or somebody talking about, right? Have reputable sources. This whole ecosystem, this whole space is based off of solid sources. You want to make sure that you're getting your information from the people that know what they're talking about, right? Investing into these projects for the long term, not thinking of these short-term swings, not trying to day trade it, not trying to catch, seeing the coins that pump up 20-30% here and there. The way you catch those pumps is being invested into those projects early on, right? And then not only do you take advantage of those 20 and 30% pumps, but the whole big picture, right? The full 3,000% increase over years and years to come. Those who invested in the Theta when it was below 10 cents, yeah, they're making some really solid gains, right? But they were taking a risk, right? They had a very high risk factor because it wasn't such an established community, right? It wasn't such an established project, but they saw the vision, right? They believed in the project. They started investing into it heavily, and then obviously, yeah, when the time goes by, their investments really pay off. Also, mistakes can be made where you're setting up your wallet, right? And you didn't set it up the right way. You made mistakes. You didn't take your security into consideration, right? Cryptocurrency can be stolen, can be hacked rather easily if you don't know what you're doing. You can't be writing down your seed phrases and your passwords in the notes of your phone or taking pictures of it. You don't want to have any digital copy whatsoever, only physical. And you want to store that bad boy somewhere where God himself can't even find it, right? You need to take full responsibility when you're coming into the world of cryptocurrency. There is no bank, there is no third party to go cry to. If you made the mistake of not taking your security seriously and you end up losing your assets, that's completely on you. There's nobody to go say, oh, but where's my coins at? Where's my crypto at? Bitcoin and all these, there are so many ways that you can lose your assets. And I've seen it time and time again. I've seen many investors lose their money, lose their investments just because of stupid little mistakes, because of not taking the security to the utmost level. I like to preach ownership, right? Owning your assets, knowing that you have a certain amount of a cryptocurrency on a wallet and nobody can say any if and or buts about it, right? When you have your money in a bank, okay, that's up to them, that's up to that third party. But once you're in the world of cryptocurrency, baby, that's it, that's all on you. You're taking full responsibility of your assets, of your money. You have full ownership. There's nothing anybody can say about it. And if you guys want to make sure you're taking your security to the utmost level and that you're making sure that you're not going to be hacked, that you're setting up your investments in the crypto world the right way, you can sign up for one-on-one mentorship with me through the Patreon link in the description below. Eventually, you can get to the point where your investments are set up in a way where they're providing you a passive income. You're waiting for your wealth to come in. The only thing standing in between you and that financial freedom is time. That's it. Sit back, relax, go down to the beach, drink a beer, hang out, see some girls, live your life, right? Don't stress out too much about your investments. You don't want to have your mind on it day in and day out. It's kind of something that you just set and forget Obviously, the world of crypto is very, there's a lot of variables here, right? You can set it up in a way where it's very passive, or you can be very active, right? You can day trade crypto. I trade crypto very often, or you can be as passive can be. Buying those assets, setting up your portfolio, and then just sitting back, relaxing, and waiting for the time to play out. Guys, I'd really appreciate it if you would drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.